Good morning children, how are you all? Today I am going to teach you English subject for UKG class. Turn your textbook page number 29. See here, I, wo and you sounds. I, wo and you sounds. Okay. Using the given letters, making rhyming words, write them in the blanks. One has been done for you. Look at here, children. They have given D and IP. Gives dip. Okay, D and IP gives dip. You have to write here. See here. I have already explained you in previous video. What is the letter? D. What is this letter? S. And here H. And here L. Okay. In middle they have given IP. Now you have to join them. Okay. First you have to take this letter and you have to join with this. Okay. DIP. Dip. Okay. Listen carefully. DIP. Dip. And you have to write here. They have given already one example for you. And here, what is this letter? Yes. What is this letter? S. Okay. SIP. Sip. You have to write. See here. What is letter? Yes. Yes. In middle, IP. Yes. IP. Sip. Okay. What's this letter? Yes. You have to join here in middle. Yes. IP. Sip. Very good. Okay. Yes. IP. Sip. And here, what's this letter? H. H. In middle, IP. HIP. You have to write HIP. Hip. Okay. HIP. Hip. And last one L. What's the last one? L. You have to join here. LIP. See here. LIP. Lip. Okay. Once again we will see. DIP. 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 SIP. Sip. HIP. Hip. LIP. Lip. Oh, we will also second one. Okay. What is this letter? R. J. What is letter? J. And this one? M. This one? S. What is this letter? M. And this letter? Yes. Okay. They have given OP. ROP. Rope. You have to write R. ROP. Rope. Okay. You have to write ROP. Rope. And second one? JOB. 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 Okay. And third one? M. What's this letter? M. You have to write M. B. Mob. M. B. Mob. And last one S. Yes. Yes. B. Sob. 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 Okay. ROB. Rob. JOB. Job. MOB. Mob. SOB. Sob. Okay. See here, children, they have given another example here. CH. What is this letter? H. What is this letter? C. Okay, and here R, and here what is letter T. Now you have to join with this. Okay, C-U-B, cub, cub. Repeat after me. Okay, C-U-B, cub, C-U-B, cub. And see here, next one, R-U-B, rub, R-U-B, rub. Okay, and here what is this letter H, H-U-B, hub, H-U-B, hub, hub, H-U-B, hub. Okay, and last one T, T-U-B, tub, T-U-B, tub, T-U-B, tub. Okay, and we will repeat again. Okay, C-U-B, cub, R-U-B, rub, H-U-B, hub, T-U-B, tub. Okay, and last one, C. What is this letter? D. What is this letter? D. And this one? P. And last, this one? L. And this one? T. You have to join here, okay, in this middle. T-I-E, die, die. D-I-E, die. D-I-E, die. And see here, P-I-E, 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 pie. P-I-E, pie. Okay. L-I-E, lie. L-I-E, lie. Okay. L-I-E, lie. And last one, T-I-E, tie. T-I-E, tie. Okay. We will see here. D-I-E, die. P-I-E, pie. L-I-E, lie. And T-I-E, tie. Okay. Thank you, children.